Hello everyone. We will learn electronic science paper 4th in unit 3rd statistical aspects for the nanotechnology. Then statistical aspects is the Gaussian distributions, Poisson distributions, Fermi-Dirac, Bose-Einstein, Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, time and length scale of the electrons in solids, the electrons in solids, nanostructures, density of states, and conductivity of metals. Then first we will discuss what is the Gaussian statistics or the Gaussian distributions. In the probability and theory and the statistics, this is the normal distributions or it is the Gaussian distribution is continuous probability of the distributions. It is case in the normal distribution, it is also called as the standard normal distributions. Now then the probability of distributions is the gives the differentials or descriptions of data that the around of means, that is the probability of the distributions. Now first is the Gaussian distribution is the graph of associated probability that the density functions is bell shaped, is like as the bell shaped with the peak at mean and is the known as Gaussian functions or the bell curve. The graph, it is the probability density and it is the functions of bell shaped with the means of Gaussian functions or the bell curve. Now for the equations, it gives f of x or the n of x is equal to 1 upon square root of 2 pi sigma square into exponential of minus 1 half x minus mu square upon sigma square. That means the parameters mu and the sigma square, it is the mean and the variance. The distribution with suppose mu is equal to 0 and the sigma square is equal to 1, that is called as the standard normal distributions. Now the normal distribution is often used to describe at least approximately and the variable clusters around the means of the Gaussian distributions. It is the one-dimensional Gaussian distributions. Now what is the definition of Gaussian distributions? It is the simplest form in case of the normal distributions. It is known as the standard normal distribution. It describes in the probability density functions the constant equations that the total area it unders is equal to the 1 and the 1 half is the exponent max with the width of these curves like as the graph. Now the exponential form is the half of distance between the inflection points, that is equal to the 1. In the statistics, this functions is denoted by the Greek letter phi of phi as shown in figure in the graph. It is a value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is denoted by the phi of x or phi. This is the Greek letters. For the standard normal distributions, mu is equal to 0 and the sigma square is equal to 1. The last part of the equations, it shows that any normal distributions can be regarded as the standard distributions. That has been, it is the horizontally that the translated rightward by the distance of central peak and the sigma is specifies the width of the bell. Now the parameter of the mu is the same as the time and the mode of normal distributions parameter sigma square is called as the variance. And it is a variable and it is concentrated with the distributed around its mean. The square root of sigma square is called as the standard deviations. is the width of density is functions of the normal distributions. Now this is the graph of the value. Suppose sigma is equal to 1, mu is equal to 2, sigma is equal to 2, mu is equal to 2, sigma is equal to 1, mu is equal to minus 2, and sigma is equal to 2, mu is equal to minus 2. See here, it is the first diagram. Sigma is equal to 1, mu is equal to 2. That means the standard deviations of this part 1 upon 2 pi, and the sigma is equal to 2, mu is equal to 2, f of x, the normal deviations 1 upon 2 into root of pi. Then third is the sigma is equal to 1, mu is equal to minus 2. Then the standard deviations is the minus 2. That means it is a second quadrant. Now the normal deviations of the 1 upon 2 pi same as that of the mu is equal to 2, sigma is equal to minus 2. Sigma is equal to 2, mu is equal to minus 2. Then the standard deviations of the f of x is the 1 upon 2 square root of 2 pi. This is the normal deviations of the, see by the graphs. Then properties of the Gaussian distributions is the functions of f of x is symmetric around the point x is equal to mu, where x is equal to mu, this is the value is same, then the function f of x is the symmetric. Is that the same time median and the mean distributions of the inflection point of the curve is occurred to the standard deviations away from the means. This is the Gaussian distributions. Now next is the Poisson distributions. The Poisson distributions, what is the statement of Poisson distributions? The Poisson distribution is the discrete probability distributions that express the probability distributions of events occurring in a fixed period of time if these events occur with a known average rate and independently of the time since the last event is occurred. Now suppose we use the binomial distributions, if it is a permutations or combinations, it is two possible outcomes. It is designed by the successes and the failures, that is the number of trials. The Poisson distributions is the number of discrete occurrence over the some intervals. The Poisson experiments, it is does not given have the given number of trials. The binomial experiment does. For example, the binomial experiment, we determine the black cars. It is a random samples of 50 cars, and the Poisson experiment might be focused on the number of cars randomly arriving at the car wash during a 20 minutes intervals. Now then find the Poisson distributions of the by using the binomial distributions. This is the derivations for equations of the Poisson distributions formula. P x is equal to x lambda raised to x e raised to minus lambda divided by x factorial. E is the base of natural logarithm. K is the x factorial is the factorial of x. Lambda is the positive real number. It equals the expected number of occurrence that occurred during given intervals of time, and x is the number of occurrence of event that the probability of which is given to the functions of times, and x value is the 0, 1, 2, 3. Lambda is the mean number of occurrence intervals, is the Earle's constant, and is nearly equal to the value of 2.71828. Then next is the Fermi-Dirac distributions, statistics. The Fermi-Dirac statistics, it is a quantum mechanics. It is the two possible ways. It is the indistinguishable particles can be distributed by the set of energy states, that is available discrete state can be occupied by the only one particle, and this exclusiveness accounts for the electron structure of the atoms, in which the electrons remain in the separate states rather than the collapsing into the common state, and the some aspects of the electrical conductivity that occurs in the Fermi-Dirac statistics. Now, equations of the Fermi-Dirac statistics, f of E is equal to, it is a Fermi-Dirac is equal to 1 upon e raised to e minus ef upon kt plus 1. Then what is the ef? Is the probability that particle will have the energies, and the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, it is the general distributions of the exponential forms. And the E minus EF, that is the EF is the temperature of energy states, it is below Fermi energy. EF, Fermi energy denoted by the EF, and the probability is the 1, that the above Fermi energy is essentially to the 0, and 1 is the quantum difference which arises from the particles and the indistinguishables. This is the formula of Fermi-Dirac statistics. Consider the interaction of which number of two electrons can be in the same quantum states. That is the system must essentially satisfy by the Pauli exclusion principles. Then where EF is the Fermi energy, F of E is called as the Fermi-Dirac distributions or the probability of functions. It gives the probability that the quantum states and the energy E will be occupied by the electrons like at the kT, that is the T is equal to 0 degree K or the 0 K, and consider it is the in case of the energy is less than Fermi energy EF, it is the exponential form. In the above equation it gives f of E is equal to exponential part is 0, then f of E is equal to 0. The resulting distributions of f1 upon 0 plus 1, then the f of E is equal to 1. 1 upon 1 is the 1. Now that is consider the E is greater than EF, then the part of exponential is the infinity. Then the resulting distributions functions f of E is equal to 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. And the third is the T is equal to 0 K, that the electrons in the lowest part it occupies the energy states, that the probability of the quantum state is being occupied until the probability of state it being occupied to the 0 state. That is the amount of thermal energy that conducts the same electrons can jump to the higher energy to the distributions of electrons. The available energy is the distributions functions. Now third condition is E is equal to EF is the equations is 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 half. There are three conditions are available or the use. E is greater than is equal to EF, then the function f of E is equal to 0. E is less than is equal to EF, then the functions f of E is equal to 1, and the E is equal to EF, that the functions of f of E is the value of 1 half. It means the temperature of the above absolute is 0, there is non-zero probability, and the some energy states above the EF it will be occupied by the electrons, and the some energy states below EF will be the empty states in these functions. This is the Fermi-Dirac statistics. Now this is a Fermi probability versus energy functions of the difference of temperature ranges. T is equal to 0K, T is equal to 300K, and T is equal to 2050K. That means it shows that there are two temperatures. It is a comparison of two temperatures. First, the T2 is greater than T1, T is equal to T2 is equal to T1, and the T2 is equal to 0. There are three conditions are the three used here. It's the functions f of E versus the energy of different temperatures. Now next is the Bose-Einstein statistic. The Bose-Einstein statistics is the indistinguishable particles. It is occupy the set of available discrete energy states, that is the aggregation of particles in the same state, which is characteristics of the particle. It obeys the Bose-Einstein statistics. It is the amount of cohesive of the laser light and is the frictionless. It is the superfluid helium at the very low temperature at near to the absolute zero temperatures. That is a statement of the Bose-Einstein statistics is the Bose-Einstein distributions. It applies when the particles are distinguishable but can occupy the same available states. That is, it applies the quantum particles that do not obey the exclusion principles. Now this is the equations of Bose-Einstein statistics. F of E is equal to A into e raised to e upon kt minus 1. The Bose-Einstein, these equations, it is the Fermi-Dirac distributions and the Bose-Einstein distributions are equal. This is the because the de Broglie wavelength, as the energy increases, the de Broglie wavelength decreases. Is the vanishingly small, that is the particle, it becomes like a classical particles. Using the Fermi-Dirac distributions, the probability of the level it occupied the electrons is f of E. Then the probability of level is not occupied by the electrons of the holes and the electrons. Now next is the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. The Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics is the statistical mechanics. Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, it describes the statistical distributions of the material particles over the various energy states in the thermal equal to the low enough to render quantum effects. It is the negligible. The expected number of particles with the energy EI and the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistic, it is the NI, it gives Ni is equal to, or f of n is equal to n into gi e raised to epsilon I minus mu upon kt. Then Ni is the number of particles in state of I, epsilon I is the energy of I state, and Gi is the degeneracy of energy level I. The particle states, it is the excluding free particle state, the energy epsilon I, and mu is the chemical potential, K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the absolute temperature, and capital N is the total number of particles. This is the Maxwell-Boltzmann functions. Then the quantum effects and the Fermi-Dirac and Bose-Einstein statistics, it applies the when quantum effects are the importance and the particles are indistinguishable. The quantum effects, it appear the concentration of particles where the quantum concentrations for which the interparticle distance is equal to the thermal de Broglie wavelengths, so that the wave functions of the particles is tough and it does not overlapping. The Fermi-Dirac statistic, it applies the particles that obeys Pauli exclusion principle, and the Bose-Einstein statistics, it applies the bosons. As the quantum concentration, it depends on the temperatures. It most high temperatures obey in the classical waves, that is the Maxwell or the Boltzmann. Then it limits it is a very high densities. Fermi-Dirac statistics, Bose-Einstein and the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, it is the high temperature or the low temperature concentrations of the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. Now next is the time and a length scale. The time and length scale, it is the three parts of the time and length scale. Length scale, electron fundamentals length in solid, size of the device and the electron spectrum quantizations, classifications of the transport regime. This is the three parts of the time and length scale electrons in the solids.